Go over the kick trick again.
So we call it the dent test, and so you just go and kick the bag of amendment or soil that you want to get. If it holds the dent, then the soil's still alive. And if it doesn't hold the dent, it just folds back out. It's so hyper dry from overheating that the soil is now dead. In order to get that to be really functional for you, you're going to have to bring it back to life first, which again would hold a dent or it'd be a little bit sticky. It makes a ball. So if you get that bag, you open it up and you try to make a ball out of it, it should actually hold in the form of a ball relatively easy. If it doesn't at all, it just falls back out. That's dead soil. That's not useful.
And make sure what you're doing, because if you kick a bag of mulch, it's supposed to be dry.
Yeah, and it's partially dry. It should have some moisture to it. You should kick the bag of soil amendment or mulch or compost or whatever you're doing, and it should have still some moisture. No moisture, it's toast. And again, it will come back to life eventually, but it may be longer than you'd like to wait.
And it's not really going to support your seeds very well. You might get some germination, but it's not going to be anything thriving. You're going to
really no nutrient accessible to your little plant start, and so it's problematic. It's just it's dead calories. There's no real nutrient to it until it comes back to life. And what's coming back to life is the microbials inside the soil. You got to bring it back to life with the wet, and there'll be a few bacteria still alive, a few microbes that are in there, and those are the things that actually then help the plants access the nutrient and makes it available to them. And if there's no moisture there, then there's just no life. It's hard to get it to uptake.